Hi Dooneynistas, it's me Pecan Tan Beauty and welcome to my channel. Or as always, I welcome you back to my channel. So today's video, guys, let's hang out at Belk and see what they have. I don't get to Belk that often and I decided to stop by and check out the Dooney and Bourke section. Let's go. So I first walk in and they have a pretty decent selection. And the first bags that I walked up on was the Pebble Grain Pochettes. As you can see, very cute little bag. That's the color Elephant. And here we have it in red and caramel behind it. And this bag, I have a love-hate relationship with. It is absolutely beautiful. This is the Pebble Grain Domed Satchel. And this is in the color Bark. Very nice color for fall. And no one does pebbled leather in the color red and olive like Dooney. As you can see, beautiful color, and jeans is popping behind. Absolutely beautiful bag. And then here we have some Wexford crossbodies. I think this is the color Natural, and we have a blue behind it and a black. And we also have these beautiful Pebble Grain crossbody 25s, and I think that's the color Azure. And look at these cute little smooth leather pinky bags. We have pink, we have Kelly green, white, navy, absolutely adorable. And I've noticed that Dooney has brought back the chevron collection, as you saw that tote in the pink there. And we have the Pebble Grain Turnlock Messenger 20 bags. I think these come in a couple of different sizes, and this is the small one. As you can see, it does have a back pocket. It has the web strap, and it's called the Turnlock because the opening or closure is a Turnlock. That beautiful tan cotton on the inside to kind of change it up from the typical red. You can probably fit your cell phone, hand sanitizer, just your essentials in these cute little bags. As you can see, this is the beautiful color black with that Sierra leather trim. Absolutely beautiful. And the underrated Lexington shopper, I think it is so underrated. So here we have the Plumera Hobo Sack, which is a fairly new collection, I'd say within maybe the last 6 or 8 months. And here we have the Pebble Turnlock Sack, and that's the color Caramel. And guys, this one caught my eye, absolutely beautiful. This is the Florentine Leather Satchel 38. And this is in the color Natural. As you can see, it has these beautiful and very well made flaps or creases on the side. That zipper is smooth as butter, and as you can see, the signature green suede on the inside. It does have a crossbody strap. Absolutely beautiful bag. Closes with one hand. Absolutely beautiful bag if you're looking for a nice true medium. And here is the Pebbled Leather Hobo 26, and is also from the Turnlock collection in bone, natural, and we have the black in the back. And then we also have a pebbled leather tote. Absolutely beautiful. I think this Belk has a really nice selection, and one of my favorite bags is the drawstring. This is the Pebbled Leather Drawstring, and this is in the color Azure. A beautiful shade of blue, nice and fun. It has the nice wide strap, and here it is in the color Taupe. And then here is a matching wallet. And of course, we have to have some Florentine leather again. That would be perfect with the satchel. And here is a Greta Continental clutch in the color Brown Tea Merle and white. And then this is just a Pebble Grain sack, which is a nice size bag, another beautiful medium. And here we go again. This is in the color Bone. So pretty. It's dressy. It can also be dressed down. I think it's a very, very classy crossbody. And here we have some Carefree Nylon Wayfarer Collection Kelly Green. We have yellow. We also have some Wayfarer totes in yellow and a couple of nylon sacks in Kelly Green and navy. Very nice Carefree bags. And then here again we have a Greta sack in the color Brown Tomorrow. We have it in the fuchsia and the black and white. And then here is a beautiful Plumera tote. Very nice and fun if that is your style. And then here is another Deco Art Hobo. And this is some more beautiful bags. And this one caught my eye because this is the Greta Amy drawstring. As you can see, it is a little bit different from like the Celeste and the Tasha drawstring. This one has a adjustable strap. The strap does not fold down on this bag like the other drawstrings in this collection. So I thought it was just something a little bit different. And then here we are, another drawstring in the pebbled leather. So anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this quick little walk through Belk to check out what they have. I think they have a beautiful collection. So let's do some bonus footage for our LV and Gucci. And I think there is some Fendi in here. So they have a beautiful pre-loved collection of beautiful bags. Absolutely beautiful. So anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.